Hey guys, I'm Frankie,
And I'm Ashton.
and we're going to show you the camp dance for Camp Unite 2020.
The song this year is called Sunday Best by Surfaces.
So follow along, learn the dance, and show it to us next year at Camp Unite. All right, let's get going.
Okay, so we're going to do the first part of the song, the chorus. It repeats a few times. So it'll start out just music, so you can sway a little bit, freestyle it a little bit, and then when it starts up, the music, feeling good, like I should, and then you'll lead with your left hand, put your arm out, went and took a walk around the neighborhood, and you'll do a turn. Feeling blessed, and there's a little noise. You'll put your leg up all cute. Never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. You'll pull your shirt up like that. Left, right.
So now we're going to go into the verse right after the first chorus. And so this is going to start with a grapevine, and the line is, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. And so that's going to start by leading with our right foot. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, and we're going to cross backwards. And then we're going to uncross and cross forwards, and then uncross again. So that's called a grapevine. So that's the beginning of your move, and then you're going to cross, uncross, and push your palms out. And then you're going to do the same exact thing going left. So you're going to start with your left foot, cross backwards, uncross, cross forwards, uncross, cross your arms, uncross them, palm push. So the line is, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. All right, so now we're here, and the line is going to be, it's gonna get difficult to stand. So you're going to punch the air twice. You're going to do that palm pop again, kind of more at your sides. So you're here but hold your bow. So it's gonna get difficult to stand, and then you're going to go, but hold your balance. So you're just kind of doing a rotation. And then you're going to hear, but I just say whatever. So you're kind of, whatever. You're going to shrug your shoulders, and then you're going to rotate to the right. And so earlier we rotate to the left, and now we're going to go right turn. It's the same exact move, because there is no way around it. So that's that verse.
So then you'll go into this verse. It repeats a couple of times. So you'll take your arms up. Everyone falls down sometimes, and you'll pop up, but you point with your right foot out, and you just gotta know we'll all be fine. So you'll start with this. So you'll be up, right, back, left, and you'll repeat, it's okay. You'll repeat one time, and then you'll start with, it's okay. So you'll do with your right foot out, arm down, then pull it up. It's okay. And then it'll go into the chorus.
So the next verse is going to start with a move that we saw last year at camp. So you're going to be like this. And it goes, some days you wake up. So you're waking up and nothing works. You're going to cross and uncross your arms. Then you're going to say, you feel surrounded. It's almost like you're looking at what's all around you. So some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Then the next line says, gotta give your feet, and on feet you're gonna jump forward. Gotta give your feet some gravity. You're gonna go like this. You're gonna bend down and point at your feet. Gotta give your feet some gravity to keep you grounded. And on grounded, you're gonna pop up onto your heels and push your hands out, like another palm push is what I'm calling it. So to keep you grounded. And you might have to practice that a couple of times to actually get on your heels. It's a little hard, okay? And then the next line is very easy. So it says, just keep good things inside your ears, just like the waves and sound did. So you're just gonna snap right, step right, snap. Step left, snap. Step right, snap. Step left, snap. So that's really simple. And then the last line, you already know from earlier, it's I just say whatever. because there is no way around it. And that's it.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should.